guys, I want to take you through the dynamics of solid mechanics, and we are going to have 3 units to know. So for unit 1, we're going to discuss kinematics of particles, kinetics of particles, and then kinematics, and then kinetics of particles as well. Now, what is the whole concept of dynamics of solid mechanics? So usually when you want to design a system, let's say you want to design a car, for instance. So let's have our car. You would want to determine the speed the car has to move. You'd want to determine the forces that will be on the car, and you would want to know what type of engine to use in the car to provide you with that output. So usually you would want to analyze this thing in 2 dimension. Start from the lowest form of the problem, and then you build on it. So you can consider the car as a particle instead of the car's mass and everything. You consider the car as a single point, right, having a certain mass, and then you will do your kinematics and kinetics analysis on the particle before you go ahead and consider the car as 3D. Then you will do your dynamics analysis on it. Now, under this, we are looking at 2D motion, right? 2D, 2 dynamic, 2 frame motion. So kinematics basically is when we are talking about the motion of the car without considering the forces that were acting on the car to produce that motion. And kinetics, on the other hand, we're looking at the forces that were at play to cause a particle to move. Alright, now under the kinematics, we would have to maybe understand the types of motion. We have to understand the types of motion, and then so for another types of motion, we have translational, we have translational, we have rotational motion as well. Then the last one, usually we don't talk about it in second year, which is general motion. Now, general motion is the combination of the two. So if you have a body that maybe can translate from here to here, then it's kind of perform rotation like this. So point 1, point 2, point 3. You realize that the particle describes translational motion from point 1 to point 2 and rotational from point 2 to point 3. Now I'm going to explain what translational, rotational motion and all in my next presentation. So yes, this is this introduction for the unit 1. Now under the unit 1, we can go ahead to talk about relative motion. Relative motion, we talk about dependent motion. I know. So let's meet in the next presentation. Thank you.